In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. Whether you're a business owner trying to promote your brand or an individual looking to connect with others, having a strong presence on social media is crucial. But how do you ensure that your content stands out amidst the noise and captures the attention of your target audience? The answer lies in crafting a magnetic social media content calendar. In this ultimate guide, we will walk you through the steps needed to create compelling content that will help you succeed in the world of social media. Define your objectives. What and why? Before diving into creating your social media content calendar, it's important to define your objectives. Ask yourself what you hope to achieve through your social media presence and why it matters to you or your business. Are you looking to increase brand awareness? Drive traffic to your website? Generate leads? By understanding your goals clearly, you can tailor your content strategy accordingly. Research your target audience. Who? To create magnetic content that resonates with your audience, it's essential to understand who they are and what they want. Conduct thorough research on demographics such as age group, gender, location, interests, and preferences. This information will help shape the tone of voice and style of communication in all future posts. Choose relevant platforms. Where? Not all social media platforms are created equal when it comes to reaching specific audiences effectively. Identify which platforms align with both your objectives and target audience preferences by considering factors such as demographics and user behavior patterns. Plan ahead. When? Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining an engaging online presence on social media platforms. Therefore, planning ahead is crucial for success. Create a monthly or quarterly calendar outlining key dates, holidays or events relevant to both general public interest or industry specific, and plan your content accordingly. This will allow you to stay organized, ensure timely delivery of posts, and capitalize on trending topics. Craft compelling content. How? Now that you have a clear understanding of your objectives, target audience, preferred platforms, and timing, it's time to create magnetic content that grabs attention. Here are some tips. Tell a story. Humans are wired for storytelling. It captivates our attention and creates emotional connections. Use storytelling techniques to convey your brand message in an engaging way. Be visual. Incorporate eye-catching visuals such as images or videos into your posts whenever possible. Visual content is more likely to be shared and remembered by users. Embrace variety. Keep your content fresh by offering a mix of different types such as educational articles, behind-the-scenes glimpses, user-generated content, UGC, polls or quizzes. This ensures there's something for everyone. Use humor wisely. A well-placed joke or witty remark can go a long way in capturing the attention of your audience and making them remember you. Encourage engagement. Ask questions or create interactive posts that encourage users to comment or share their thoughts. This not only boosts engagement but also helps build relationships with your audience. Analyze and adapt. What works? Creating magnetic social media content is an ongoing process. Therefore, analyzing the performance of each post is crucial for continuous improvement. Utilize analytics tools provided by social media platforms to track metrics such as reach, engagement rates, click-through rates, center, conversions, etc., which will help identify what works best for your audience. Conclusion. Crafting a magnetic social media content calendar is no easy task, but with careful planning and execution using these strategies outlined above. Defining objectives clearly, what and why, researching target audiences thoroughly, who, choosing relevant platforms wisely, where, planning ahead diligently, when, crafting compelling content creatively, how, and analyzing performance consistently, what works, you can set yourself up for success in the ever-evolving world of social media. Remember, consistency is key, so stay committed to your content calendar and adapt it based on insights gained along the way. Embrace the power of magnetic content and watch as your social media presence attracts a loyal following, drives engagement, and ultimately helps you achieve your goals.